In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SteamVR lag. We'll walk through a focused set of changes that target the most common causes of stutter and hitching in SteamVR. Follow along in order and give each change a quick test so you can see what makes the biggest difference on your setup. First, update your GPU drivers. Fresh graphics drivers often include critical VR optimizations and bug fixes. If you are on NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience and check for the latest Game Ready or Studio driver. If you are on AMD, use the Adrenaline software to update. If you've been experiencing persistent issues across versions, consider a clean install by removing old drivers with a tool like Display Driver Uninstaller before installing the newest driver. This helps eliminate leftover files or settings that can cause performance inconsistencies. Next, join the SteamVR beta to access performance improvements before they reach the main branch. In your Steam library, right-click SteamVR. Choose Properties, then open the Betas tab from the drop-down. Select the latest beta. Updates in the beta channel frequently address frame timing and device compatibility. If you don't like the changes, you can return to the non-beta version using the same menu. Now, adjust your SteamVR resolution. Open SteamVR settings. Go to the video section and set the resolution to 100% or switch to custom. Avoid using auto because it can overshoot on powerful GPUs or undershoot on weaker ones. Leading to inconsistent frame pacing, start at 100%. Test a demanding scene and only raise it gradually if you are consistently hitting your headset's refresh rate. After that, try disabling motion smoothing in the SteamVR video settings. Motion smoothing attempts to interpolate frames to maintain smoothness. But on some systems it introduces artifacts or uneven frame timing that feels like micro-stutter. Turning it off removes that overhead and can result in a steadier experience, especially if your system is frequently near the performance limit. If you prefer the feel with it on, you can always enable it later. Finally, ensure your PC is using a wired Ethernet connection to your router, not Wi-Fi. Even if your headset is tethered, background services and downloads compete for bandwidth, and Wi-Fi adds latency and jitter that can translate into VR stutter. A simple Ethernet cable provides stable throughput and more consistent frame delivery, which is exactly what VR needs. Apply these changes one by one. Test in a scene that normally lags and keep the adjustments that help. Thanks for watching.